Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Gaile, and whether it's about dermatology or sharing a piece of my personal world, I'm here to bring authenticity and knowledge straight to you. Skincare has become an essential part of many people's daily routines. And with an increasing focus on self-care, there's been a surge in the popularity of luxury skincare products. However, the question arises, is luxury skincare really better than mainstream skincare? What makes luxury skincare different? Apart from what most of us already know about luxury skincare, the use of rare exotic components or specialized botanical extracts like La Mer and its miracle broth, or SK2 and its key ingredients Pitera, the significant investment in research and development such as proprietary technologies or exclusive ingredient extraction methods, take La Prairie, which combines Swiss precision and scientific innovation with its indulgent ingredients, caviar and gold, or Augustinus batter, known for its innovative use of TFC8 technology. The use of high-quality, aesthetically pleasing, and sometimes bespoke packaging materials like glass jars, elegantly designed bottles, and luxurious boxes, a higher price point, and limited accessibility and premium marketing and brand image. There are a few other elements that can set luxury skincare apart from mainstream skincare. One is brand heritage and storytelling. Luxury skincare often comes with a rich brand heritage or unique story. Many luxury brands have a history that adds to their allure, with stories of how they were developed, often tied to a notable figure or exclusive origins. This storytelling can be a significant part of the product's appeal. An example is Estee Lauder. Established by Estee Lauder, a pioneer in the beauty industry with a focus on innovation and entrepreneurship, or Chanel, founded by Gabrielle Coco Chanel in 1910, which began as a fashion house and expanded into perfumes, skincare, and cosmetics. Another is exclusivity and limited editions, which can create a sense of uniqueness and desirability. Also, customization and personalization, such as products tailored to specific skin concerns or preferences, or products individually formulated for the customers, or initials engraved on the bottles or glass jars. Luxury skincare products are often designed to offer a multi-sensory experience, engaging not just with the skin, but also with a sense of smell, touch, and sight. This can include unique textures, sophisticated fragrances, and visually appealing formulations, like Dior, known for its products' textures and scents, or Clé de Peau Beauté, also for its luxurious textures and radiance-enhancing properties. And let's not forget, in-store experience and services. Purchasing luxury skincare can be an experience in itself, with high-end boutiques and department stores offering personalized consultations, product demonstrations, and sometimes even spa-like treatments. And lastly, advocacies, commitment to sustainability, and philanthropy. Guerlain, for example, has strong commitment to sustainability, particularly in protecting biodiversity with their bee conservation program as a notable example. Lancome is another, focusing on women empowerment and beauty in all forms. When choosing a luxury skincare brand, it's important to consider several factors to ensure that the products align with your individual needs, preferences, and values. Here are things to consider. Skin concerns and goals. Identify your primary skin concerns. Is it pigmentation, fine lines and wrinkles, dull skin, or acne? Choose a brand that specializes in addressing these specific concerns with proven results. Next is ingredient focus. Research the key ingredients used by the luxury brand and their efficacy. Look for those that are known to be effective for your specific skin concern. Third is brand reputation and reviews. Investigate the brand's reputation in the market. Read reviews and testimonials from users with similar skin types or concerns. Of course, there's budget. Luxury skincare can be a significant investment. Determine your budget and look for a brand that offers the best value within your price range. Consider the cost per use, especially for products that are used daily. Next is availability and accessibility. Consider the availability of the brand's products. Some luxury brands are exclusive to certain stores or regions. Another is clinical trials and research. Check if the brand invests in clinical trials and research to substantiate their claims. Evidence-based formulations are a hallmark of many reputable luxury skincare brands. And then there's personal preferences and user experience. Evaluate how the product feels and smells, as luxury skincare often emphasizes a sensory experience. Choose a brand that you enjoy using, as this will encourage consistent use and potentially better results. And finally, results. The most important factor to consider when buying luxury skincare products is whether or not they provide the results you're looking for. As we wrap up our discussion on luxury skincare, it's essential to remember that skincare choices are deeply personal. Investing in luxury skincare should be based on your own skin's needs and your budget. Everyone's skin journey is unique, and what works for someone else might not work for you. It's not just about following trends, it's about what your skin truly needs. If you're considering luxury skincare, choose products that align with your goals and values, whether it's for their unique ingredients, advanced research, or the luxury experience they provide. The aim of any skincare routine should be to care for, protect, and celebrate your skin. In the end, whether you go for luxury or mainstream products, the most important thing is to make informed, thoughtful choices. Skincare isn't a one-size-fits-all matter. It's a personal path of discovery. Approach it with curiosity and let the health of your skin and your own happiness guide your decisions. And there you have it. If there's one takeaway from today's discussion, let it be this. Be informed, be discerning, and don't hesitate to seek professional advice when in doubt. We are on our way, guys, to reaching 100,000 subscribers, so comment below with any thoughts or topics you'd love me to do next. I promise this is just the beginning, and together, we'll explore so much more. Until next time, see you again in the next video.